Everyone. So I was assigned to have the reflection for today. So I'm Ronel Lina, I'm an officer 2 from Banga Elementary School. So in everything we do, there must be something that we learn, that we must learn and reflect it. First of all, I thank God that we have reached the last day of this seminar. On behalf of the participants in this training, I would like to express my gratitude to the Schools Division City of Maykawayan, headed by Dr. Merlina P. Cruz, for giving us the opportunity to learn together with our school head, back chair, and members. The things that and practices that we do not know before, ngayon po ay malinaw na po sa amin, especially all the processes. We thank you, ma'am, for initiating and collaborating with the Commission on Audit, and also to our respective speakers, Attorney Daryl G. Lianco and Attorney Princess, as they gave us a very comprehensive seminar regarding the laws and rules on government expenditures. I have learned so much in this 4-day seminar, from how the budget is being acquired by the agency up to how it was utilized and being liquidated, how an employee becomes permanent and receives his benefits. I also learned how the expenditures considered as irregular, illegal, excessive, extravagant, and unconscionable. And from the time of procurement up to how it will be accepted and inspected. I hope that everything we've learned must be put into practice as what the proponent of this seminar is expected to us. Not just to comply, but to develop our knowledge and skills so that we can able to share what we know and become productive and efficient in our workplace as an accountable officers of the government. I believe that valuable resources that we acquire, if without collaboration and open mind, our growth is limited to our own knowledge. Like what the saying says, you cannot give what you don't have. I really appreciate the things that I have discovered and uncovered in the learning about the different topics that each speaker has shared to us. As we end this 4-day seminar, what has reflected and what I've learned today is the essence of change as accountable officers, that we can able to cope and adapt to changes and give ourselves room for improvement and development. Thank you.